moving along in the notes, we see that in the second part of the calculator notes there, we're looking for other calculator functions which we want to be prepared to do, in which we're not necessarily concerning ourselves with the derivative. One of those things is that we want to be able to find the value of a function at any x while we're on the main screen here. So what you can do, again, I'm going to go back to y equals, we've got x squared. Let me modify it slightly, make it x squared plus 3. Okay. And I'm interested in finding the value of this function when x is equal to 4. Well, I can go to the graph and I can trace, which we'll do that in a second. But on the main screen, I can also find out when the function is equal to 4. So I quit out of the equation editor. I'm on the main screen, and I want to find y1's value when x is equal to 4. So to do that, I need to bring y1 up. And again, to access my y variables, it's alpha trace. And we hit enter for y1. And then I'm going to basically use the function notation that I'm used to when I'm writing with a pencil and paper. I'm going to put 4 in parentheses immediately after. So this looks like it's doing y1 times 4, but in fact it's not. This is the calculator's template for doing the function y1 value at 4. This is like saying g of 4, f of 4. We're plugging 4 into the function. Now we know the function is x squared plus 3, so 4 squared plus 3 would be 16 plus 3 or 19. And when I hit enter, sure enough, there's the 19. So when you want to plug a value into a function on the main screen, you have to bring up the y variable and then put the value of x immediately afterwards in parentheses. If you're looking to find the value of the function while on the graph screen, well, we got y equals, there it is, x squared plus 3. And if I go to the graph, all right, there's the graph of x squared plus 3. If I'm interested in the value of the function when x is equal to -1, well, then I just hit the trace button and I type in -1, and immediately it moves the butterfly to that spot, and we see that it's the point at -1, y is equal to 4, which again makes sense because -1 squared is 1, plus 3 is 4. So that was how you would get the value of a function at a particular x value while you're on the graph screen.